Hello children, today we will learn more about hot deserts. After watching this module, you will be able to describe the life of the people living in a desert. You will be able to identify the crops grown in desert areas. You will understand about mode of transport used in deserts. Let's begin. Children, desert people like the Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert of southern Africa are hunter gatherers. Some others, like the Tuaregs of the Sahara and the Bedouins of northern Africa and Western Asia, are animal herders and traders. Let's know more about Bedouins. The Bedouins are people of the hot deserts of northern Africa and Western Asia. The name Bedouin means someone who lives in the desert. By tradition, the Bedouins are herders. They keep mainly goats, camels, and sheep. They get most of the things they need, like meat, milk, wool, and leather, from these animals. The Bedouins are nomads, means they move from one place to another in search of water, taking their animals with them. They live in tents made from animal skin or cloth. They wear loose clothes and keep their bodies covered to protect themselves from the heat. Many Bedouins have now given up nomadic life. They usually live and work in cities. Children, let's discuss about the farming which is done in the desert areas. Most areas in desert are not good for growing crops. In an oasis, crops such as dates, wheat, and millets are grown. Now, let's talk about housing in the desert areas. The houses in a desert are built close to each other. As you may see in the picture, they have thick walls and small windows to keep out the heat. Children, canals are dug from rivers to bring water into the desert. This helps people to grow more crops and also provides water for daily use. I have one amazing fact for you. The Indira Gandhi Canal carries water from the river Satluj into the Thar Desert. You can see the route of the river Satluj. It comes from Punjab to Thar Desert. This canal carries water from the river Satluj into the Thar Desert here. And this has made life easier for the people of the desert. Let's know more about travel and transport in the desert areas. There are hardly any landmarks, and a traveler, if lost, will soon die due to the harsh climate and the lack of food and water. Earlier, desert people depended completely on animals for transport. In sandy deserts, the camel was the best means of transport. The camel can move easily on the sand and can go without water for a long time. This is why it is called the ship of the desert. Now, roads for motor vehicles have been built along many of the routes earlier used by the camel caravans. Camels are still used by traders in the Sahara to transport salt which they collect from the desert. And in many deserts, there are camel safaris for tourists. Now, let's have a quick recap of today's topic. The Bushmen are hunter gatherers who live in the Kalahari Desert. The Tuaregs of the Sahara and the Bedouins of northern Africa and Western Asia are nomadic herders who raise goats, sheep, and camels. Crops such as dates, wheat, and millets can be grown in an oasis. That's it for today. So, thank you. I hope you must have understood this chapter, hot deserts.